probability without replacement, dependent events. You will find this on page 647 in the Namibia Mathematics Ordinary Level textbook, Y equals mx plus c to success. Without replacement, what does that mean? So let's just think, if I have a bag of balls, okay, here is my balls. If I take out that ball, I'm not putting it back. So if the bag was having 3 balls in the first event, it will only have 2 balls, that's 1 less than 3 in the second event. But let's look at an example. A bag contains 12 balls. 5 are red and the remainder are blue. The balls are drawn at random without replacement. Find the probability that both are red. Now, first you have to draw the tree yourself. Now, it's just the same. It's red, blue. This is the first event. Red, blue. But the only difference, where this will be 5 out of 12, and this will be 7 out of 12. Remember, this one ball, there was 12 balls, but that one ball is out. It's not replaced. So there will only be, let's just redo that one, 11. It will always be 1 less than the total amount. And now, for this branch, or this set of branches, I will assume that it was a red ball. They took out a red ball. So there's not 5 red balls, there will only be 4. And now, the blue balls is the same. Or you can say 11 over 11 minus 4 over 11, and that will give you an answer of 7 over 11. Can you remember that this pair of branches must also add up to 1? Now, cancel the assumption. Now, for this one, you assume, oh, it was not a red ball, but it was actually a blue ball. So there's now not 7 blue balls anymore, there will be 1 less, and that will be 6. But the blue balls will still be the same, and that's the 5. Or you can again say 11 over 11 minus 6 over 11, and that will be 5 over 11. And that will be my answer. Okay, so first, just construct a tree diagram. And remember, without replacement is dependent. So this second action is depending on what happens in the first action. And that's why there is only 1 less ball in the second action. Okay, but let's start. Both are red. So let's just find that branch. Red. So I will just say 5 over 12 multiply 4 over 11, and the answer will be 5 over 33. Okay, at least 1 is blue. Oh, be careful for this at least. That means 1 blue, 1 red, but it can also be just blue. So it's actually, can you recall, it's this one, which is a red blue, or the order doesn't matter, blue red, or a blue. So can you remember how did we do? We can do method 1, which is the long method. We can multiply, and add up the results. Or the shorter method, we can take the whole tree, and can you remember the whole tree? The whole tree will always be equal to 1, a certainty. And we can just subtract this red branch, because then we are left with the green branches. Okay. I want you to stop the video and do try now 15. You can continue the video as soon as you are finished. Okay, let's start. Number 15. Okay, I think we're first going to read it. A bag contains 7 counters. 3 are black and the remainder are green. 2 counters are drawn at random without replacement. Remember, as soon as you see without replacement, you must know it's dependent. Now, working in the tree, Working in the tree will be the same. So basically, you will multiply and you will add. The only difference will be completing the tree. I just want to finish this word, which I didn't finish. Okay. Okay, so let's start. Find the probability. Now the best is, especially if you are doing probability 2 events for the first time, is to draw your tree. So let's start by drawing a tree. It's 2 events, that's why I'm going to repeat. And can you remember that this is the first event and this is the second. Okay. So basically, okay, what is the 2 outcomes? Let's just write the 2 outcomes. Black and green. So every time black, green, black, green, black, green. Okay, and now we're going to start. 7, 3 are black, so it's 3 out of, and there is only 7. So how many are green? It's 4 out of 7. Okay, but now don't forget. So if we're going to start here, for this one, because the ball is not replaced, you can already do it like this. It's helping. It's out of 6. Out of 6, 1 less than 7. Out of 6, out of 6. And now, for this branch here, or this pair of branches, I assume it was the top one, let me see, a black one. So there will now be only 2 black ones. So it's 2 out of 6. Okay, please remember also, I will show you now, that you never have to simplify this before you go over. You can only simplify final answers. Okay, but this one is the same, so it's 4 out of 6, because remember it must add up to 1. And then this one, now cancel the assumption, and now assume, oh, it was not a black one, but it was actually a green one. So now there will only be 3 out of 6, and this will be the same, and it also 3. And again, take note, this 2 will add up to 1. This 2 will add up to 1. This 2 will add up to 1. But if I take all the branches and I do the multiplication and then add up the results, I will also always get a 1, a certainty. Okay, let's start with the first question. Number A. Find the probability that both are green. So probability both green and that is going to be, now let's just find that branch again. Green, 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 green. What do I do in the branches? I multiply. So this is just going to be 4 over 7 multiply that 4 over 7, multiply 3 over 6. You can use your ABC on your calculator. That's the easiest and the fastest. And it's 2 over 7. Okay. Then number B, at least one is black. Now, at least one is black. Let's just find that. So it can be, 2 can also be black. So, okay, let's just get another color. I just don't want to use the same color. So, it can be black, black, or it can be black, green, or it can be green, black. Can you see? It's actually the red ones. I can do method 1, which is very long, or I can just go and quickly do method 2, which is shorter. So, the probability at least one is black, and that can be just 1, and I just subtract this green ones. So let's just, it's 1 minus that 2 over 7. Can you remember? You can do it this without a calculator. 7 over 7 minus 2 over 7. The final answer will be 5 over 7.